Atlantic Goddard Weather Center. I am just pulling you guys up on our Facebook page so that if anyone has any questions, as always, you are more than welcome to drop them in the comments, and I will do my best to answer as we go along. If I don't see it now, I'll answer it later, or you can head to fox8.com. The weather discussion there has all the details, which we are about to discuss. So a pretty mild start to this morning as we take a look at temperatures. They ran about 20 to 25 degrees warmer than yesterday morning, but now we're kind of seeing that gap close where we're about 5 to 15 degrees warmer. So temperatures in most cases are in the 50s, if not the low 60s. Looking at satellite and radar, not much going on. You might have a stray shower in our southeastern communities near the Columbiana County area, but aside from that, we're pretty quiet and dry for the time being. Now, as we get later into the day, we're going to introduce the chance for some showers, and then overnight, late night tonight, that threat increases a bit. Now, the reason for this is we do have a stalled frontal boundary. It's a cold front, but it's a dry cold front for the most part. There's not a lot of moisture with it. You can see that there is that stray shower developing near Columbiana County, but aside from that, the majority of us are quiet and we're dry. You'll see cloud cover increase as we go throughout the morning and towards game time. We've got that Guards game this afternoon, which of course they moved the start time for because of the chance for rain. So what we'll see here at home is a series of low pressures right along that cold front there. It's going to bring some rounds of rain. Today, not a washout. I would say 30 to 40% chance there of showers. Tomorrow, that chance goes up a bit, and then Monday really looks to be like the soggiest. Showers then taper off, but another big change you'll notice is not just introducing the chance for rain, but also we're going to get another shot of cool air, which will slip in by Monday. So here's a look at the current air masses we have in place. We're in that technically warmer air mass compared to what's up to the northwest. So today temperatures will be in the upper 60s. That's pretty seasonable, maybe a couple of degrees above the average for this point in the year. But a cold front comes through Sunday evening, and that will introduce those cool blues which you see off to the northwest. So quickly, the breakdown of your Guardians forecast versus the Tigers when we are going to get a win today. It's going to be on the cool side compared to the last couple of days, mid and upper 60s. Grab a jacket, take your sweatshirt with you. Cloud cover is going to be pretty thick. I don't expect a ton of sun for the game, so you might be able to ditch the sunglasses. I don't think you need to have the rain gear handy. Could it rain on you at the game? Yes. The chance is low. Models have been putting most of the showers south of the city, but that's not to say that, that moisture couldn't bubble up downtown Cleveland. You might need to run under one of the awnings for a little bit, but I don't think it'll be a game ruiner. So those are just my thoughts on what the game forecast looks like. And here's a model view for you of Futurecast. So see how those showers do start to kind of fire off around 1, 2 o'clock, but they do, for the most part, look to stay just south of where that game will be taking place. Pockets of moderate rain, a stray rumble of thunder, those are all possible as we go throughout the day today, especially overnight tonight and into early Sunday morning. You'll notice that the bulk of that rain is trying to hang out over Lake Erie and not creep so far south that the majority of us just see stray showers. So that's something we'll be watching for. That placement of the cold front is really good. What's going to be the determining factor of how many of us see these widespread showers versus just some spotty hit and miss stuff. Picking up where we left off early Sunday morning, temperatures will be in the 50s and 60s. The afternoon highs will be in the low 60s, so not much movement temperature-wise. And then we introduce that cold air for our Monday. We'll start the day in the 40s. We're going to struggle to get out of the 40s and into the 50s for our highs in the afternoon. And there are those scattered shower chances Monday afternoon and throughout the evening hours. Monday kind of looks to be the soggiest, I would say. So over the course of Saturday, Sunday, Monday, here's how much rain you can expect. The majority of you are likely going to pick up, say, 1/4 of an inch, 1/2 an inch, but then we'll get those pockets where we see 1 inch to 1.5 inches. Most of the bulk, the heavier rain would likely be further north because of the placement of that system, and then that cold front sweeps through and then gives everybody a nice dose of water, which I might add we could use. We do still have those drought conditions in many areas. Long-range outlook when it comes to temperatures. Of course, the blues mean it's chilly outside. The oranges, the yellows, those are more mild and comfortable temperatures, which is what we're sitting under today. However, by Monday and Tuesday, the cooler air sinks south and into northern Ohio. We stay cool for the work week. We'll see a brief warm-up next weekend, but it's short-lived. By next Tuesday, we're back to the cool blues. So here's the breakdown of your 8-day forecast. Again, today will be in the upper 60s. We have that chance for a shower. A rumble of thunder is possible as well. Tomorrow and Monday look to be the soggiest, and temperatures will tumble, that's for sure. Now, no frost advisories or anything for tonight or tomorrow night, but we will definitely see some pockets in the 30s through the work week, so don't be surprised if you do see a frost advisory here or there. It's a gradual warm-up back to the 70s next weekend, and it comes with sunshine, so we're getting lucky. It's a short-lived warm-up, though, as I mentioned. You saw those cool temperatures sink back in for the work week starting the 21st, 22nd. So again, any questions, drop them in the comments, and go Guards. Take care, guys.